In this video, I'll show you how to remove text from an image using Canva. It's a quick and easy process. To start, open the image you want to edit in Canva. Once it's loaded,
click on the image and then select Edit Photo from the toolbar. Next, navigate to the Effects tab and look for the Magic Eraser tool.
click on it and you'll see an option to adjust the brush size. Use the slider to make the brush larger or smaller, depending on the area you need to work on. Now, drag the brush over the text you want to remove. For example, let's erase this section here. Simply click and hold while dragging, and Canva will process the area for you. If some parts of the text remain visible, repeat the process until the image looks the way you want. For instance, if there's a small patch left, brush over it again and let Canva do its magic. And there you have it, text successfully removed from your image. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.